Hi everyone, Mr. Campbell here. Just want to review, in case you're thinking about trying out for our fall comedy, either to be in the cast or work on the crew. Opportunities are coming up starting in just a little bit. So I want to go through some of the ways in which you can either sign up to audition or sign up to apply for a role either on stage or behind the scenes to make our shows as great as they always have been. Okay, so if you are interested in auditioning to be on stage as a cast member, you need to stay after school on either Monday, September 9th or Tuesday, September 10th. Auditions run right after school until 5 o'clock each day. You only have to sign up for one of the 2 days. If you need the late bus on Tuesday, that's fine. You'll be able to audition first and catch the late bus, but then other folks will stay until 5 o'clock and it won't hurt your chances. There's a sign-up sheet that looks like this outside my room 408. It says Monday, September 9th, and there's one for Tuesday. Put your name and your homeroom, so let me know that you're going to be there. You'll go up on stage, you will read a few pages of the script a few times with a few other people, and then you'll be on your way. What will then happen is there will be callbacks on Thursday, September 12th after school until 5 o'clock. You really should try to stay until 5 o'clock if you're called back. That's like a second round audition, meaning you're really being considered for a role. If you are cast in the show, the cast list will be up on Friday, and rehearsals will start the next Monday, September 16th. If you are not cast in the show but still wish to apply for a crew or staff job, you may certainly feel free to do so. If you are interested in working behind the scenes for the fall comedy, also outside room 408 are applications. Please pick one up, take it home, fill it out neatly, and return it by Friday, September 20th. Remember, this is like a job application where you may be asked to operate power tools, technical equipment, print out programs, handle money. So you want to make sure that this application is filled out completely, neatly, and the earlier the better. Please put your name, grade, homeroom, and team, and then read the following job descriptions and what you think you are interested in, mark off. If there might be more than one, please rank them. Any other theater experience you have, list here, and anything else you know you've got coming up, such as sports, doctor's appointments, vacations, etc., please list here. Then you will get a letter in homeroom after September 20th letting you know if you were selected, for which job, and what your schedule will be. Theaters only. If you are specifically interested in applying to be one of the 2 stage managers, there is a separate application outside room 408 for this. Put your name, homeroom, previous theater experience here at LMS, other theater experience, why should we choose you, and if you don't get chosen as stage manager but would still like to be a crew leader, please list the areas in which you would like to be chosen or considered. This must be returned by September 12th. You'll come join us for the fun, whether it's on stage or off stage. Please come and consider auditioning or applying. More information is on our theater website, or please feel free to contact me, Mr. Campbell, the director, in my room 408 or via email at any time. Thanks very much.